In honor of the Olympic Games, I'm churning up a patriotic frozen dessert to enjoy while cheering on the red, white, and blue. It's my cherry and coconut ice cream bars, and I'm going to show you how to make it layer by layer. I'll start by making the cherry ice cream for the red layer. Add some unflavored plant-based milk, frozen dark cherries, coconut cream, and vegan honey or agave nectar into a blender. I've included a link in the description below where you can find the vegan honey. Blend those ingredients until smooth. Grab some popsicle molds and pour some of the cherry ice cream mixture into the bottom of each mold. Freeze the mold for at least 20 minutes or until the cherry ice cream is a little solid so that the next layer of ice cream doesn't go through the cherry layer. Wash out the blender and add the coconut milk, coconut cream, vegan honey, coconut flavoring, frozen coconut, and blend. Remove the popsicle molds from the freezer and pour some of the coconut ice cream mixture into each mold on top of the cherry layer, creating a second layer. Put the mold back into the freezer and freeze for another 20 minutes. In the meantime, add the Blue Magic powder to the remaining coconut ice cream mixture in the blender. Blue Magic is an extract from spirulina that helps with inflammation, and I'm using it as a natural food dye for the blue layer in these bars. I've included a link to the Blue Magic powder down below. Blend until the mixture turns completely blue. Pour the blue ice cream mixture into each mold and freeze for a few hours until solid, and then enjoy. I've included a link to this recipe in the description below. If you like this video, then go ahead and click on that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.